Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is Anna. Through this video, I would love to share with you 5 tips which can really help you to improve your English fluency. These tips have helped me to take my English fluency to the next level. I don't say that I'm super fluent in English, but I know enough English to survive and I'm confident to speak in English. So I would love to share those tips with you so that it would be also helping you. Point number 1 on the list is avoid translation. Yes, you heard it right. This is a very common mistake which we all do while we are on this journey of learning English. We try to translate everything from your mother tongue to English. Actually, the problem is that it is a very time-consuming exercise. Instead of that, what you could be doing is you could start thinking in English. Okay? You could do this by convincing yourself that I know enough English to survive. I don't need to translate. I'm already good at English. This is kind of a positive affirmation you're making to yourself, and it will really help you because it has helped me. Point number 2 on the list is surround yourself with English. What I mean by surrounding yourself with English is that consume more English content. If we look at our YouTube or social media, it is mostly dominated by content from our regional language, which we cannot deny because we are so much emotionally invested. We connect more with our regional language. But since you are trying to learn a new language, try to consume enough content in that language. You could be listening to podcasts or you could be watching sitcoms. I used to watch this beautiful sitcom called Friends. It has really helped me. Point number 3 on the list is observation. Have you ever noticed or have you ever wondered how kids pick up languages so easily and so effortlessly? This is through observation, and that is the power of observation. Try and observe all the speakers which you admire. Try and you just try to understand what is that which makes them stand out. What is that aspect in their communication which you admire the most. Try and observe the way they are constructing sentences, they're using words and all. It will really help you. Point number 4 on the list is be okay with making mistakes. See, we are on this learning journey. We are just beginning. Some of you may have just begun. Some of you are maybe in the advanced level. Some of you are very comfortable with English but cannot speak English. There are different levels. Okay. So it's completely normal for you to make mistakes, and it's okay. If you don't make any mistakes, then that is a problem. You know, it works like that way. When you make a mistake, you learn from it. Then you'll make new mistakes and you'll also learn from them. That's how you learn. So be okay with making mistakes. Do not stop your learning.